Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Yeah, Careface CVP.
Up there, up there, up
Wow.
there, up there, up there. We're going.
With your help, up there, we will be going. Yeah, man. Where I'm going right now is somewhere I've been before. Yes, I get to understand that green eggs is actually an Asian thing. So I am gonna see if I get a green egg today, so I can show you guys what a green egg, natural green egg look like. A video on YouTube called See the Unexpected in North York, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, backyard. Yes, I video these chickens around and rooster crowing. And today I was invited back to that actual home to come pick up some eggs from the chickens. Yes, eggs from the chickens. So I am going over there, and I was also told about green eggs, yellow eggs, white eggs, and brown eggs, which we all know white egg and brown eggs. But the green egg and yellow egg, I only see them in artwork. I never actually see a chicken actually lay a green egg. And I was introduced to the rooster. The rooster is a product of one of the green egg. So this is where I was last year when I heard the rooster crow for the first time. I couldn't believe it, so I pop out my phone at the time and run to go catch it. I catch it and I'll post it on YouTube. So you can go check it out. See the unexpected in North York, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, backyard. So we're gonna enter into the home. So I got my eggs. I haven't opened up the packet yet to see what the eggs look like, but I am actually seeing the chickens. I could see one of the hen over there. Yes, yes. Welcome to North York. You can see that. Well, I got eggs from that chicken. There's another one right there by the little chicken house. There you go. Look at it. Oh, it looks like it's drinking water or something. Well, this is CVP giving you the chicken in North York. Whoa, I heard crowing. Trying to see if I could find that rooster that came from the green egg. Well, there used to be more chickens around. Well, all right, thank you. Thank you for that. That's a rooster. Don't see it, but I could hear it. When I get to understand the hyena came in and take two out, and the rooster attacked them. I'm waiting to see the big man come out still. We could hear you, Dad. We could hear you. He's in there somewhere.
Here is the bad boy.
How are you, sir? I heard you came from a green egg. How was it? Being green. I mean, an alien. Wow, look at the monster. Let's look at his legs. Look at those fangs. Wow. You don't want to be pricked with those. Yes, Mr. Monster. Give me some action. Well, this is a sneak peek of chickens in the city, North York, Ontario, Canada. Well, these chickens are affiliated with chickens from up north. Yes, Mr. Big Man, back on you. I know you're ready to fight. I know. I'm gonna go. I want you to come over here and beat me up. All right. See, that's the chicken move when they want to fight, you know. Yeah. Do the chicken. Do the chicken move. Finally get to meet you, bro. Close up. So I'm here, open up in the package, and look at what, hold on, no. Is that, hold on. Let me get a closer look. Wow, yes, there is actually green egg. Green, hold on, is this green or white? This is white, okay. All right, this is like greenish. This is green color. All right, maybe they do get greener. But yes, this one looks like a different color. Yeah, they all look like eggs I never seen before, except these two. And this one is white. But these three, this is grayish. Look like it was been painted. Yeah, they actually came from the chicken I just showed you. They're not painted. They're real homegrown chicken. See the unexpected in North York, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Backyard. Check out that video. That's the first video that exposed these chickens. And now I'm getting eggs from them. Good energy. Okay.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.